How to connect Calendly to Squarespace. So here from the dashboard, we want to click on website, which will load up this page. Now from this page, we want to choose edit from the top left corner and then just add a section here. So now we need to choose add a blank section and it's going to look like this. Once we click on it, we can choose the option to add a blog here or block. And we want to scroll down until we see this option for code. So just click on code. And it's going to look like this. Now I'm just going to drag it and paste it on here. Now I'm going to enter Calendly, and you can create a new calendar event like so by clicking on the create button, and you just choose the type of event which you want to create, and you will be able to find your events right here. So I'm going to use this calendar that I've created previously. And I'm just going to click on share, and then we have to go to this option that says add to website. Now we will see inline embed, pop-up widget, and pop-up text. We want to select inline embed and continue. This will generate code for us from this side, and we want to just choose copy code. Now go back to Squarespace, and we want to paste our code right here. So I'm just going to delete this by clicking the backspace, and I'm going to paste this code here. And now if we click on save, it will automatically add our Calendly to Squarespace, as you can see right here. So I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.